what I got, Glow Beauties? A free IPSY bag, and right on time for my birthday. This is my birthday month. It is May, and there is my Emmy. He is doing a film bomb. Wait a second, there he is again, film bombing. There we go. So we got our Emmy involved again, and we are filming in my bedroom once again, and I got a free IPSY bag courtesy of IPSY and courtesy of Catherine from Instagram's ColourPop Thirst and her IG also Kath Swatch. So she was putting out a free promotion for IPSY, and we had to DM her if we wanted a free IPSY bag, and I DM'd her and I couldn't believe it. I was one of the small group that DM'd her and got a free IPSY bag, and it was perfect timing because it's right on time for my birthday month. Oh, and if you remember the last time I had an IPSY bag, it kind of got delivered empty because somebody out there, you know who you are, stole the contents of my IPSY bag. But this time around, it got delivered, and it's fat, and it's pregnant. It is pregnant with possibilities. So I am excited to open this up. And the nice thing about it is apparently I'm looking on the shipping label, and it was shipped from Ontario. So they have a Ontario distribution site, so we don't have to pay duties and charges. Generally it costs $14.95 US for this. I think it used to cost $10. Don't quote me on it. I can't remember. It was a while back. And of course there would be some shipping involved. So you do have to sign up to get your free IPSY bag. That's okay. So they will start to give you an IPSY bag once a month, and you will be charged. But I didn't get charged for the bag. I didn't get charged the contents, and I didn't get charged the shipping for the first round. So thank you so much, Catherine. Thank you so much for holding these free IPSY bag promos. And thank you so much, IPSY. I really appreciate it. And just to let you y'all know that the last time I had my IPSY and it was empty, I did reach out to IPSY and let them know. And they gave me another bag free of charge, sent it right away, and I got it within a week, and it was filled up. So I was a very, very happy camper. I am looking forward to this. I have no idea what's in it, and I controlled myself. Sometimes you have to have some self-control, so I did. I didn't go on IPSY Instagram to see what's in the bag for this month. I didn't go on any YouTube videos, so I have no idea. Now, granted, it was hard to do that because I am a very curious person and I like to know everything that's in everything. I wanted to be surprised, and I wanted you guys to be surprised. I can't remember whether I filled out the personalization form, because IPSY is really good about personalizing what your predilections are, and then your coloring of your skin and taking that all into account, because of course you can see I'm a tan skin girl, so I'm going to want things that are going to go with my skin color, highlighters, this, that, the other. The other thing is I am a color girl, so I'm going to want things that are not neutral, and I do like some skincare too. We'll see what's in this one because I cannot remember whether I filled that one out. So I know I did get my IPSY bag just a couple of days ago, and it's quite the middle of the month. My turnaround time isn't that great. I have other things that it's making my life very busy, so it's kind of hard to do it, but nonetheless, I hope you'll be as surprised as I am, even though I'm sure you've seen other people's IPSYs right now. So, but you haven't seen mine. We are going to check this out. So let's get started. I've got my handy dandy scissors, and we are going to cut this baby open right now on camera. Let's do it. Let's hope I don't cut anything at the same time, because we don't want anything cut at the same time. And then we're going to pull out the bag. Oh my goodness! Let's see, I'm feeling it right now. Here's the bag! Look at the bag! It looks so nice. What is it called? Oh, it's because it's almost summer, it's May, they're doing the travel bag, and I just did a travel, and I filmed what's in my tropics travel makeup bag. So this is all right up the same theme. theme. So this is like a tropics trout. Too bad I didn't have this when I went to the tropics, but now I do, and I will be bringing it with me because these are great. I love keeping these for traveling. You can never have enough, and if you do have enough, you can always give it to your friend. So we are gonna, let's see if there's anything. Hold up, let me just see if there's anything else in this. There is! There's something else! Oh my god, thank goodness I checked. Let's pull this one out first. It feels like a brush. It does. Is it? Is it, you guys? Is it brush? It is! Oh my god, who's it by? And I forgot to mention that I'll probably be putting on my glasses every now and then because I can't see up close. I had a big situation. I did get it corrected because I like to see up close and far at the same time. Right now I can only see far. It's a real bother not being able to see up close. And I did get it, my eyes corrected so that one could see up close, but then a couple of months later, I got my eyes taken out by, yes, retin A, and I didn't even put it anywhere near my eyes, and from then on in, I can't see up close again, so we have to get it redone. I don't think my Bachner Institute is going to be happy about redoing my eyes once again, but I'm coming back to them. So we're going to cut this open. So this is what, oh, it's so good, cute. I love it. It has got, this is like my first brush that has like, you know, this tie-dye color thing going on. I don't have any brushes like that. This is by, I have no idea. SL Miss Glam! I always wanted a brush from SL Miss Glam! I got a brush from SL Miss Glam! So this I would think would be, is a nice little shader brush, and in fact because it's a little thicker, you could probably use it for inside. You could flip it around and use it for deeper in your crease too, and then pack on. So I love it! And you know what? It goes with my eyeshadow today! I'm so happy. The silly little things that make one happy in life, okay? Give me a break. I like doing that. So this is the mystery bag. So let's zipper it open. If there's any cards, I will pull it out, but I'm not gonna look at it, okay, you guys? Because I want to, so we are going to slip it over here, put it down. Let's put it the other way so we don't see. Okay, the first one is round. What is this? You guys know before I do. Let's see. Pure Heels. You know what? I have plantar fasciitis right now on my feet, so maybe this would be very useful for me. What is it called? Pure Heels Centella 65 Green Tea Pack. Calming. Oh, it's not for the heels, it's just saying that it heals. Oh my god. I am assuming that this is a skincare mask. I don't want to look at the card yet, so we will figure that out later. I just did my little homework and I found out what this is. Pure Heels is a Korean brand. I don't know whether you can see this right there. There we go. Pure Heels means pureness, improved skin, pure nature. Editor's Pick Allure 2013. And apparently this one is it's a green tea pack. It has 65% Centella asiata extract in it, and it is a mask. And it also exfoliates. You wash your face, you put it on a slightly damp skin, you leave it on for 10 minutes, they say, and then you massage it softly into your skin because it's got little grains in it. Apparently it's got raw green tea leaf, provides dry skin with moisture. Centella asiatica extract 65%, soothes sensitive skin and care healthier. You see, you can tell it's Koreans writing this because they don't got their English quite right. Removes dead skin and skin waste and makes pure and transparent skin. You know what? This is perfect because it's great for my sensitive skin because it soothes the skin, it nurtures the skin, and also you get some manual exfoliating benefits from this. So I'm loving this. This is perfection for me anyway, and it's great for those skincare days where you just need a little bit of pampering and you don't want to be too harsh on your skin. So here we go again. We're going to do the next one. Let's do the cylinder one here. I'm trying to figure out what it could be. It's a cylinder. I have no idea. A mascara! I'm assuming this is a mascara. Yes, a Max Lash Volumizer Mascara by, let me put my glasses on again, Deuce. And you know Deuce means sweet, eh? It means sweet and pretty. So this is Volumizing Mascara by Deuce. Now, I love anything that volumizes for my mascara, okay? So we want that. Now, there is a box in here. Wait a second, there's something nice and little small. So we'll do this one first. It's in a kind of a cylinder once again. So let's pull this out. What do we have, you guys? I have no idea. Can you tell me? Let me turn it around and take a look. Pop! Well, I like things that pop, so let's see. Gotta put my glasses on again because everything's small. Some of them are sample sizes. Pop Elizabeth Matte. Pop Goes the Shadow. Premium eyeshadow, Mermaid Teal. Now, you know I love color, and they have the right name for it because it is pop, so it better be poppin'. So, and it's got like the comic pop, so we better be poppin' because Mama likes her pop. Ooh, this is very, very nice. Look at this. Mermaid Teal. Okay, let me, we gotta swatch this. So we're gonna, oh, it feels good. It feels like it would be very pigmented. So let's do it. Nice! Mermaid Teal. We are happy camper. IPSY got me. I tend to go for more cool colors, so this is right up my alley. My color wheel is more on the cooler side, and if I do warm colors, it will tend to be more pulled towards the cool side. So this is right up my alley, and I love single eyeshadows. It will be going into my single custom palette. So this is Perfection Elizabeth Mott. I do not know who she is, but it's nice that we can learn about a new makeup on the scene. Here we go. Here's that. Now this is a box. This is a oblong box. So here we go. What is this? It looks like the Sephora kind of, the logo type of thing, but I don't think it's by Sephora. Now this is Kookie nail polish. We got nail polish. Usually they don't put that over the border. I know that. I think when ColourPop did their nail polish, we couldn't get it in Canada, so we couldn't order it. So this is the Kookie nail polish. Formaldehyde and DBP and toluene free. Apparently those are bad stuff, so we don't want it. Let's see whether it is a cruelty free. So I'm not seeing leaping bunnies on here, so I don't think it's cruelty free. But it does have an elephant on there, so I'm not quite sure. Oh, it is beautiful! Look at this! I love these colors for the summer. I love the whole packaging. This is beautiful. I'm curious to know why they use the elephant logo. It would be very interesting to read up on Kookie nail polish and see whether there is some meaning to the elephant nail. I'm sure there's got to be. I'm a very curious person, and so now I looked up Kookie. Kookie was born in 2015 in Maryland, so it's a relatively new nail polish brand, and Kookie actually means elephant in Korean, and the elephant represents power, wisdom, strength, and loyalty. Just a few of the things that we think are beautiful too. And they say, don't worry, we love our elephant friends and don't test on them or any other critters. They are a cruelty-free brand, apparently. That is awesome because, I mean, if you're gonna put an animal as your logo, you better be cruelty-free. I like that little black and white stripe. It's just really cute. Very classy. Loving the whole vibe of this. And apparently they bring the runway to us plebeians to give us some really great nail-friendly, gorgeous looks. And this is, again, perfection for the summer. I'm pretty impressed. This is what I got. I've got a blue eyeshadow. I've got the pink nail polish, which I love for summer. I'm loving my mask, and I love my volumizing mascara. I can't wear falsies because my eyes are too sensitive for anything, you know, like that, and putting glue on my eyes, that's just not gonna happen. So the bigger and the fatter and the longer I can make my lashes with a mascara, because the mascara is gonna have to do, and volumizing is right up my alley. So I'm loving that what they put in here. Let's go read now what they say here on my, if they say anything at all on this card, okay? So this is the card that comes with, and it says go there, IPSY May 2018, and it's got like travel, like, you know, postcard thingies, like you're traveling all over. That looks like London, England, and you've got the little snaps, you know, it's really fun. What does it say here? Hey Ipster, we're writing to you from a cafe in Paris. Roxette is munching on crepes, Lynette is snapping pics, and we're all soaking in this beautiful city. Why are we here? At IPSY, we're obsessed with self-expression, and we found that sometimes you need to get lost so you can be found, so you can find yourself. To prove the magic of travel, we busted out our passports, hopped a red eye to London, and took a train to Paris. We laughed, we cried, we drank proper tea, and ate too many croissants. Oh, I love croissants. And we captured every step of the way so we can share it with all of you. Check out our journey, learn more about your May glam bag pics, and see tons of travel-inspired beauty tips and inspo on the IPSY mobile app. I don't have that yet. I gotta put it on my phone. Then start planning your next adventure. Whether you're dreaming of a road trip, a beach vacay, or you're ready to trek across the globe, it's time to go there. And we're ready to go there because we got our little makeup bag, we got our little mini skincare facials, our mini mascaras, our nail polish, and our single shadows, and we're ready to go a-traveling and skipping the globe fantastic. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this surprise IPSY bag. It was definitely pregnant with possibilities. I'm so happy because now I can, and I've got my little, and it's short enough to travel, so everything goes in this IPSY travel bag perfectly for traveling wherever we want to go. Oh, and I forgot my eye. I need my eyeshadow and my eyeshadow wherever we want to go. So I hope you enjoyed this surprise IPSY bag unbagging. It was a whole bunch of fun. It gets us ready for travel anywhere we want to go, whether even it is just to the gym. I do hope you enjoyed it. Do give me a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up with all my videos, and don't forget to hit the bell notification button because number one, YouTube is doing some funny little things, and sometimes you're not on the subscriber list, so don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you'll be notified of all my uploads. And really, seriously, do give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, because that way YouTube recognizes it and will push and promote my videos more. So that helps me out and helps you guys out, I guess, because if you like my videos, you want to see them. I hope you have a fun May. I hope you have a really fun summer. Let me know if you guys are going traveling or you're doing a stay vacay. Those are fun too. Stay vacays are fun because you can do a whole bunch of things, you know, around your city or where you live. So let me know what you plan on doing for the summer. We'll see you in my next IPSY unbagging. And don't forget, rock your own kind of beauty and keep on going and keep on glowing. I will.